See if we make the record for the highest horsepower Ranger Raptor with stock turbo, stock engine. Se queda pegado patinando, ¿no viste? Hello guys, this is Robert Witcher from Venezuela. I'm the owner, tuner of Witchertorque. And this opportunity, you know, it's a good customer of us, brought this Ranger Raptor to do. Some modifications on it. We did a colder kit, we did intercooler upgrade, and we changed the spark plugs for a one-step colder spark plug range, heat range. And this truck we also did right now 20% ethanol on the fuel to do, you know, let's see if we make the record for the highest horsepower Ranger Raptor with stock turbo, stock engine. We did a custom downpipe fabrication here because, you know, it's not easy for you guys over there at the States to have stuff that's in the complaints with EPA. But anyway, we did the downpipes. We did a middle section mid pipe, all in stainless steel 304 TIG welded. With a transition on the Y pipe where the union is very restrictive. We'll show you on the future, or after the pass on the dyno, we'll show you everything we did, like the fabrication of the custom downpipes. All we're doing right now. We did an intercooler upgrade. Changing the oil viscosity a little bit to, you know, be more safe, because we're pushing it, you know, beyond what it's designed for the stock turbo. We're trying to shoot for 500 at the wheel with the stock turbos, and we're gonna go for it. The dyno pass on the Ranger Raptor. Now here we have the difference. The red line is on stock conditions without the intercooler, no intakes, no downpipes, no tune. And the blue line is when we did everything like tune, 20% ethanol, and you know, we can see we have a difference about 150 horsepower at the wheels. So even on the top end, like at 5,600 RPM, we have almost 190 horsepower difference. So it's a big difference on the tune and the setup we did. We made almost 500 wheel horsepower, only with 20% ethanol on the fuel. We did a very aggressive tune. You guys are gonna check it out. And to us, it's one of the most powerful Ranger Raptors. Actually, because I mean, we did it with our shitty pump gas. Our pump gas is one of the worst gasolines on the country, or well, on the world. And we did 20% ethanol on it. We did, how I repeat, downpipes, intakes, intercooler. And we made 491 wheel horsepower, and we made 500 something foot-pounds of torque. That's a gain of about 190 wheel horsepower in some places on the RPM range, and even 150 wheel horsepower on the lower range. You're gonna see it on the video. Any custom tune you need for this, remote or whatever, we can help you out, guys. Se queda pegado patinando, ¿no viste? Esto quedó brutal. brutal, suena sádico y acelera como una moto. Miren esto. Oye. De la gente. Patina, ¿viste? ¿No viste? Está en 4x4,